I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. They are playing football. They are playing football. We are drinking water. We are drinking water. She is cutting the vegetables. She is cutting the vegetables. He is fixing his bike. He is fixing his bike. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. They are cleaning the house. They are cleaning the house. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. She is feeding the baby. She is feeding the baby. He is driving the car. He is driving the car. I am painting the wall. I am painting the wall. She is taking a shower. She is taking a shower. They are swimming in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. I am running in the park. I am running in the park. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. We are eating lunch. We are eating lunch.